gotta keep working. See if it works.
Roasted pig, a familiar dish with golden, crispy skin and soft, fragrant meat inside, is a symbol of lavish parties and rich cuisine. The process of making roasted pig not only requires sophisticated marinating techniques but also requires ingenuity in each roasting step to ensure the skin is crispy without burning. On modern production lines, hundreds of tons of sausages made from pork are also processed every day to supply the market. Sausage is not only a popular fast food, but also a nutritious, convenient food product, suitable for all ages. Let's follow the journey from healthy pigs, through the elaborate processing process, to become delicious and attractive dishes. When the pigs are brought into the factory, the quality control process is strictly implemented. Only healthy pigs that meet food safety standards are selected. Workers carefully check and remove those that show signs of disease or do not meet the requirements. Then, the pigs are taken to the slaughter area, where the process takes place quickly and ensures absolute hygiene. After cleaning and shaving, the pigs are butchered. The best parts of the meat will be selected for roasting, while the remaining parts will be classified for sausage production. With roast pigs, the seasoning plays a decisive role in the final flavor. A mixture of spices including salt, sugar, 5-spice powder, honey, garlic, onions, and some secret spices is spread evenly over the entire surface of the pig. In particular, to make the skin perfectly crispy, people will brush a layer of vinegar or white wine on the surface before roasting. The process of roasting pigs is also an art. Pigs are skewered on a rotating shaft and slowly roasted over charcoal or in a modern roasting oven. The temperature must be precisely controlled, ensuring that the skin is crispy without being burned. Workers constantly check, adjust the temperature and apply more spices to make the meat absorb evenly and the skin becomes shiny and attractive. When the pig reaches the perfect level of doneness, it is taken out and left to cool for a short time before being cut into small pieces. Packaged and shipped to restaurants, retail stores or party events. Meanwhile, in the sausage production area, the pork is ground and mixed with spices such as pepper, garlic, annatto powder, and some additives to create toughness and longer preservation. This mixture is then stuffed into sausage casings, which can be natural casings or artificial collagen casings. After being stuffed, the sausages will be steamed or smoked to create their characteristic color and flavor. The final step is to cool, package and store in a cold environment to ensure the quality of the product when it reaches consumers. From healthy pigs to delicious and attractive dishes, the entire processing process is carried out methodically, ensuring quality and food hygiene and safety. This is not only a combination of traditional processing techniques and modern technology, but also a part of the diverse cuisine of many countries. After being processed, the roasted pig has a golden color, crispy skin, and soft, sweet meat, creating an irresistible dish. Each roasted pig can serve dozens of people. Often cut into small pieces and displayed on large trays. Many restaurants and food businesses also provide whole roasted pigs for customers to enjoy in their own way. In addition to roasted pigs, the sausage production line continues to operate at full capacity. Sausages after being taken out of the steamer or smoker will be quickly cooled to maintain their delicious toughness. Workers check each batch of sausages, removing products that do not meet the requirements in terms of appearance or quality. An important step in the sausage production process is packaging. Sausages can be packaged in a variety of ways depending on the intended use. Some fresh sausages are vacuum-packed to retain moisture, while smoked or pre-cooked sausages may be packaged in plastic casings or boxes for ease of storage and transportation. In modern factories, strict quality control systems are in place to ensure that each output meets standards. Sausages not only need to be delicious, but also need to ensure food hygiene and safety, meeting strict standards before being exported or distributed domestically. After completing the packaging process, hundreds of tons of sausages are transported to supermarkets, convenience stores, restaurants, and fast food chains. Sausages have become a popular choice for breakfast, snacks, or processed into a variety of dishes such as grilled sausages. Fried sausages, or sausages stir-fried with vegetables. Returning to the roast pork processing process, some establishments also apply modern preservation methods to keep the product fresh. Roast pork can be packed in vacuum boxes and stored at low temperatures to prolong the shelf life. Long shelf life while still retaining its characteristic flavor. Some places also provide frozen roast pork, making it easy for consumers to buy and reheat when needed. Thanks to advanced processing technology and effective preservation techniques, pork dishes such as roast pork and sausages not only serve domestic needs, but are also exported to many other countries. Crispy roast pork and delicious sausages have become an indispensable part of many cuisines around the world. After completing the processing and packaging process, roast pork and pork sausage products are transported to large cold storages for preservation before being distributed to the market. Every day, hundreds of tons of products are delivered to supermarkets, restaurants, eateries and food businesses across the country. Product distribution and consumption system. The distribution system plays an important role in bringing products to consumers quickly and ensuring quality. Specialized refrigerated trucks will transport roast pigs and sausages to retail outlets. For large restaurants or fast food chains, products are often delivered on pre-order to ensure adequate supply. At supermarkets, roast pigs are often sold whole or pre-cut into small pieces. Packaged in plastic trays or vacuum bags, customers can easily choose according to their needs. As for sausages, they are neatly arranged on shelves, with many different types such as fresh sausages, smoked sausages, sterilized sausages, serving a variety of consumer tastes. Consumption habits and how to prepare dishes from roast pigs and sausages. Roast pigs are a popular dish at parties, holidays, or simply a delicious meal for the family. People can eat roast pigs with bread, sticky rice, or rolled in rice paper with raw vegetables. Each region has different ways of enjoying roast pork, creating diversity in culinary culture. Sausages are also a convenient food that can be prepared in many different ways. From grilling, frying, steaming, to stir-frying with vegetables or tomato sauce, sausages can be combined with many other ingredients to create attractive dishes. Children often like crispy fried sausages, while adults can enjoy smoked sausages with beer or wine. Development trends in the pork food processing industry. Nowadays, with the development of food technology, processing facilities are constantly improving production lines to improve quality and productivity. Modern preservation methods such as quick freezing, vacuuming, and high-temperature sterilization help extend the shelf life of the product while still maintaining the delicious flavor. In addition, the trend of clean and organic food also affects the pork food processing industry. Many production facilities have begun to apply standards for pig farming without antibiotics or growth hormones to create safer meat products. Sausage products without preservatives or artificial colors are also increasingly popular in the market. In general, the industry of processing roasted pork and sausages from pork is growing strongly, meeting the increasing demand of consumers. From a traditional dish, roasted pork and sausages have become an important part of the food industry, contributing to promoting the economy and bringing great value to the livestock industry. The quality control process is an indispensable factor in the production of pork products such as roasted pork and sausages. To ensure that the final product meets the highest standards of food safety and hygiene and flavor, inspection steps are meticulously carried out from the time of raw material input to the factory. Pork batches are thoroughly inspected for quality right from the first step of entering the warehouse. Pork food production facilities often have small laboratories to test indicators such as freshness, fat content, meat pH, and harmful bacteria. This helps eliminate unqualified ingredients. Ensuring that the final product is not only delicious but also safe for consumers' health. After the meat is processed, the product continues to be checked at each stage. The finished roast pig must have an even golden skin color, crispy without being burnt. For sausages, the sausages must be of uniform length, not broken or collapsed, and must have the characteristic aroma of the spices that have been marinated. Tests for toughness, moisture, and flavor are also carried out to ensure the product is of the highest quality. Technology development and innovation. Modern food processing technology plays an important role in increasing productivity and improving product quality. Factories today's roast pig and sausage production uses automated equipment to increase work efficiency and minimize human intervention, thereby helping to precisely control each processing stage. The pig roasting process, which used to be done by hand or in a manual roaster, has now been replaced by automatic roasters with precise temperature and time control systems. This not only saves time but also ensures consistent quality for each roast pig, from the crispy skin to the soft, sweet meat. Similarly, in sausage production, the use of automatic meat grinders and advanced sausage stuffing systems increases productivity many times over the previous manual method. Modern sausage stuffers are not only capable of precise stuffing but can also shape sausages into different sizes, suitable for the needs of each market. Technologies such as quick freezing and vacuuming help preserve the product for a long time while still maintaining its fresh taste. Export potential and international markets. The pork processing industry not only serves domestic demand but also develops strongly in international markets. Products such as sausages and roast pork have become major export items of many countries, especially in the processed food industry. The development of this industry helps create thousands of jobs and contributes greatly to the national economy. Pork processing plants often have international certifications such as ISO, HACCP, or food hygiene and safety certifications to meet the strict requirements of export markets. Compliance with international standards not only helps to grow the domestic market but also expands export opportunities to countries with developed food industries, such as Japan, the US, and European countries. The future of pork processing. Looking to the future, the pork processing industry, especially roast pork and sausage production, will continue to grow strongly thanks to technological advances and changes in people's consumption habits. Pork products will increasingly focus on quality and food safety. In addition, the demand for organic and clean products continues to increase, leading to the development of pork product lines that do not use preservatives or artificial additives. These products not only meet consumer needs but also protect the health of consumers, especially those who are interested in a healthy and safe diet. With the combination of modern processing technology and diverse consumer needs, the pork processing industry promises to continue to grow strongly in the future, not only serving the domestic market but also reaching out to the world. Thus, from fresh pigs raised in good care conditions, through the skillful hands of skilled workers, roasted pork and sausage products were born and became the favorite dishes of millions of consumers around the world. The processing process, from selecting ingredients, marinating spices, to roasting pigs and producing sausages, is carried out meticulously and scientifically, ensuring that the final product is not only delicious but also safe for health. With the development of modern processing technology, the roasted pork and sausage production industry is growing stronger, not only serving domestic needs but also expanding to international markets. These products not only create great economic value but also reflect the creativity and constant efforts of people in the food processing industry. From each crispy, tender roast pig to the delicious sausages, each product is a work of culinary art, imbued with traditional flavors but also constantly innovated to meet the tastes of modern consumers. At the end of today's video, we hope you have a better understanding of the process of roasting pork and producing sausages. From simple ingredients to finished products, bringing us delicious and nutritious meals. Stay tuned to discover more interesting stories about the food industry and the wonderful dishes we love. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.